Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to turn off flight mode on the Samsung phone, because when you will turn on flight mode you cannot receive any call or message. So if you want to turn off flight mode on the Samsung phone, so follow these steps. So firstly, open the setting. So after opening the setting, you can see connections options. So click on connections. So you can see the options of flight mode. You can see flight mode is enabled. So if you want to turn it off, so just click on it. So you can see flight mode is disabled. So it is the first method. So second method is that just go back and scroll down the screen. So when you will scroll down the screen, you can see flight mode option. So click on it. So when you will click on it, you can see flight mode is enabled. So just click on it, and here you can see flight mode is disabled now. So guys, in this way you can turn off flight mode very easily. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.